Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure you have access and the minimal prerequisites, not every detail, just what lets you act now. Log in, verify 2FA, and open the interface. Once done, locate the feature you'll use. Make a quick backup of critical files and set one 30-minute focus block. This gets you into the flow. By removing friction, you avoid stopping. Now, proceed to the first actionable step. Run the initial command or click the primary action. You now carry out the core process. Input data, validate results, and apply changes, repeating until outcomes stabilize. Use small tests, 10% or a single item, to confirm behavior before scaling. While you work, adjust thresholds, limits, and timeouts to match real conditions and make incremental saves. Monitor logs and visual indicators closely because early detection prevents bigger problems. Once you see consistent success in tests, prepare to finalize and lock changes. You finish by reviewing output against your baseline, compare snapshots and metrics, and confirm the expected improvements. Once satisfied, finalize the work, commit, export, or deploy and document versions. Make sure to keep a rollback plan ready in case something goes wrong. If an issue appears, start troubleshooting by checking timestamps, recent changes, and error codes. Those 3 items usually reveal the root cause quickly. Finally, run a quick validation and communicate the status to stakeholders.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.